In just under 3 years, this ambitious project brought together a diverse East Asian crew to construct a new landmark.
I've locked the position on the theodolite. Confirmed. Installing the boundary flag now. Launch the drone for the final sweep.
If we rotate the main stand section, we maximize seating capacity. That impacts the wind shear calculations significantly.
The foundation phase begins. Giant pile drivers systematically install hundreds of 25 lattice. The visualization reveals the scale of the foundation. Hundreds of steel piles are driven 30 meters deep. The stadium's foundation required driving over 1,000 steel piles 30 meters deep through soil layers until they were baudes. The foundation phase required the systematic installation of hundreds of 25-meter steel piles. A massive undertaking begins. The excavation of the stadium bowl. In a round-the-clock operation, giant incontades. The retaining wall is installed in stages. The shoring system supports the excavation cliff. The base of the excavation reached a depth of 8 meters below ground level. From the edge of the excavation down, under the glare of floodlights, this industrial-scale concrete pour Utilizing advanced techniques, the reinforced concrete work rises rapidly. Utilizing advanced techniques, the reinforced concrete mortar rises, built with reinforced concrete and steel.
Industrial-scale logistics in motion. The delivery and preparation phase accelerates. The drone fly-through captures the precision installation of the reflective cladding.
A surge of power activates the stadium's systems. From the massive HVAC units to the complex web of electrocord, installing the MEP systems requires precision. Like a chrysalis opening, the stadium's identity emerges as the final cladding.
Weeks of meticulous work, from drainage installation to the final laser-guided line marking, result
months of planning, weeks of installation, all culminating in this moment, the activation of the stadium's new LED system.
Woohoo!
Yeah! We did it!